Hello my friends, welcome. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and today we're going to do on a 12 by 24 canvas, we're going to be doing a bloom. We're going to be doing two blooms, and let me tell you all about my colors. We're going to start with Azo Gold. It has a little bit of this little piggy Zeus. Then we have Phthalo Turquoise. Gorgeous. We have, by Golden, we have Permanent Violet Dark. We have Liquitex, Quinacridone Magenta. We have Pyrrole Orange by Golden and Gold Bright Fine by Golden. My cell activator will be, let's see, I'll use Oxide Black today. All right. I hope you're all well. I'm just getting over a cold, so I might sound a little stuffy, but I wanted to paint. So here we go. Let's see. My canvas needs a little bit paint on the bottom because so it doesn't slip around. Well, actually I don't think so because I got my clips on. Okay, never mind. Let's get it on there. Hopefully the clips will keep it in place. All right. I still have some PPG Multi-Pro paint left over. So let's use that. It's not as cold as it was a couple weeks ago. So the paint is flowing a little more nicely. All right. I think that's good. We'll see. I can always add more later. Actually, I want a little bit more just right here. All right. Now, I want to get the blooms a little closer than maybe the last one that I did, the tropical blooms. So I'm going to try to do that. Okay, we're going to go in with the Azo Gold. I'm going to put it here. Beautiful color. Now, next is Phthalo Turquoise, but for that, we're just going to go around the outside. I have used this color palette before to make a very large, on a 24 by, no, 18 by 24, I think, painting, and it turned out beautiful. But you know, it always turns out different, so we'll just see. Here we go with the purple, which is the Permanent Violet Dark. And we have our Liquitex Quin Magenta. And our Pyrrole Orange. And next, our Gold Bright. I'm just going to do that in the center. All right. Pop for some bubbles there. And for our cell activator. Now, this time, I think I'm going to do something different. I think I've only used this a few times. It's the Wazer, I believe. I'm using it on high, because on low, it's not powerful enough. But we'll see. Let's try it. for the, I don't know, it kind of got, it was a little too powerful and it got into the white there. Don't really like that. Let me use my, see if I can fix it with my, I usually use the flour. Nope. Okay, we're gonna have to redo this. Okay. No, that's not going, right? So. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Do that. All right, well, you know, let's try it again. Azo Gold, Turquoise, Permanent Violet Dark, Quinacridone Magenta, Pyrrole Orange, and the Gold Bright. Let's see if I have better luck with my flour blow dryer, which I usually use. This right up here. Golden, that's Azo Gold, Phthalo Turquoise, a beautiful purple, violet dark, Quin Rose, Orange, a little less. Whoops, I was having a hard time coming out. I know I said a little less, but okay. And Gold Bright. All right, black cell activator. This is using Australian Floetrol. All right. Gotta let the black cell activator kind of come together. never know really how it's gonna play out till you spin it out. I didn't like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's slowly spin it out. Pretty. This needs a little help here. I think I want it to come down a little bit down that way. All right. Okay, let me get a few of the dots before it gets any thinner, the paint gets thinner. Woo! Look at that! Oh, wow. Excuse me. That there is so cool. I'm definitely seeing a lot of dots coming up. Definitely, oh, my thing came off. Oops, come on, clip. My clip came off. Okay. Now the paint feels pretty thin, not too thick, so I'll probably be able to, don't think, let me check here. Well, I really don't want to spin off much more. I'd like to see some of that kind of black, well, I think just a little bit more. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm loving how the Pyrrole Orange here is just kind of, doing some watercolor effects with magenta and that's quite beautiful. I think some of this came off, which was good because it was a little bit too much dark. All right. I think I'm going to stop there. And let me take you down for a close-up. I'm really loving a lot of watercolor effect. You can see the layers under layers here. Don't like the little dots popping up. Okay, well, my friends, another double bloom. This is very unique with that. That is just so awesome. I'm not sure what that is, but I love it. All right, my friends, God bless you. And until the next one, peace and blessings to you.